how to create Instagram post with text. So if you want to create Instagram post with text, so first open up Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now you just need to go for your story, which is on the upper left. Once you're here on the story, just simply tap on the camera. Under camera, you just need to go for your story because you don't have that option on your post. So simply take a story. Once you've taken the story, now you just need to choose the background. So I'll be choosing this color. Once you choose the background, now you just need to go for text and enter something that you would like to post. So for example, I'll be choosing a text. Once you've choose here, you will have your fonts. You can simply choose any font that you're comfortable with. And you can also adjust your font size, your font color, and tap on done. Once you have your font, you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and then you can tap on save and save that image. And once you've saved the photo, now go back and discard, and now go for post. And once you're here on the post, you just need to choose the post that you have just saved, and you can enlarge it. And once you choose, you can go for next, which is here on the upper right. And now you can enter some filters or add some filters in it or add some music to it. And once you've added, you can simply go for next, which is on the bottom right. And once you tap on next here, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply tap on share, which is on the bottom right, and you will post that thing. So that's how you can post Instagram post with text. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.